Hi guys, so today I'm going to review the 23-inch metal circular cable knitting needles. This is how the package looks like. This is how it looks like when it's opened. The kit also includes a roll-up circular needle holder with 15 compartments to help you stay organized on the go, a handy knitting needle gauge, a crochet hook to fix mistakes, a measuring tape in inches and centimeters, six yarn needles, and stitch markers of 20 pieces. Okay, so now we are going to try to knit with these needles and see how they work. So I'm going to use a size 8 US, and I'm going to try to knit. So let's cast on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By the way, you guys, you can knit straight or circular with these needles. Move the yarn to the back and knit the stitches. Knitting is pretty easy with these needles, so let's see if they snag over here. They don't. This is really nice. Okay guys, so I really like this knitting set. It does include pretty much everything you need. Keeps your needles organized. You have a place for all your accessories. I like it. It's very pretty. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.